Hey there, everybody. I'm just going to go ahead and just start with the Minecraft objective today. I created a video so that it would be helpful and easy for everybody to try this one more time. So let's go to the library straight away to open up the world that we need. So just head on to computer science and then select coding in Python. Now, you can actually select two of these things, either two of these, but today I'm going to focus and use the make code version, and we're going to start on lesson 4. So lesson 4, just once you're here, just go straight away and select world, and you will be at the low. Go. So the very first thing is just head on forward and just talk to the CEO right here. Just go ahead and just take some time to read this. All right. For me, I'm just going to skip away because for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you the solution straight away and stuff. And once we're here, let's go on to the developer and then ask the developer how would it be possible to help them. We're just going to go ahead. Right after that, we will have some criteria here. You can see that there are a list of animals right there, and then it shows us how it could be right down. So there are a few locations that we need to place these animals in. So they gave us like, okay, location 1 needs to be in this corner, and that location 2 needs to have the list to be placed inside. That means we need to put these animals into the list that we need to be put in. So the very first thing is to go onto the CBuilder coder. So you can see that these are the stuff that we can place our list here. So I'm just going to go ahead and just make a new line under the hashtag because these hashtags help us to place where we need to place. So they ask us to replace this to the list variable. So I'm just going to go ahead and type out my list because at the top here, it asks us to create a name list called my list. So after doing that, we know that the syntax of square brackets for making a list of square brackets. And I'm going to just go ahead and type cow because cow or in capitals, because cow in capital is the variable of the animals there right over here. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and just type pig as well because that's the next thing in the list. And the rest you can see that it's a sheep, horse, and then rabbit. So sheep, I'm gonna just type this here. All right. Uh, once you type this, you can see that it's a variable there. Okay, and then horse. Okay, we're going to select that because that's the variable for the horse, and that we're going to type rabbit. The reason why we type this without the speech mark is because that these are actual animals and these are actual things inside of Minecraft, and so therefore we write it in the variables that they were named. So once after being done, we can take a look how can we spawn the third mob into the locations that we need. So once we do that, we can use something like mob spawn, for example. All right, this is a command for Minecraft. And I'm going to spawn the third mob, which is this one here, into location 2. So I'm just going to go ahead and place this one here as the third mob, which is the index number 2, because it's 0, 1, and 2. And place that into location 2. All right. I'm just going to stop here and I'm just going to run this and show you what location 2 needs to be. All right. Because location 1 is already made for us. That means the first animal, which is the cow, is already in the right location, which is location 1. And location 2 needs to be my list 2, which is the third animal, as the sheep right over there. And the sheep is now at the correct position. So right now we're going to do 3, 4, and 5 straight away. So what I'm going to do right now, because I'm lazy to type, I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste this right here, and you need to read this really carefully. It says that spawn the 5th mob. Now, if you know how to count the index correctly, you know that this is 4 rather than 5 because starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to spawn this at location 3 correctly. So once that's done, can see that the rabbit now is spawned correctly at location 3. I'm going to do the last one for you guys, location 4 and location 5. Just simply, because I'm lazy again, I told you, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to make a new line and I'm place this at location 4. This time they want me to put as the second mob. And the second mob here is the pig. I'm just going to just place that one. Right, so, and then the last one, I'm going to copy and paste and put it under this list because I'm lazy one more time. And this one is a fourth mob, which is 0, 1, 2, and 3. That's the horse at location 5. Almost forgot to change that. Once that's being done, you can see the correct animals are being placed and the activity will be completed. Yay! We have done that correctly. Okay, I spawned too many of these because I have used too many stuff. All right, once we're done, it's now ready for activity.